On January 17th, a tropical low formed over the Indian Ocean of Western Australia. By January 19th, a storm had strengthened into Tropical Cyclone Sean, the second tropical cyclone of Australia's 2024 and 2025 season. We have been house sitting in Dampier for the last few weeks. Meet Peggy the dash hound. The weather has been weird leading up to Cyclone Sean. What was normally blue Pilbara skies changed grey and eerie. But funny enough, not much wind, but we did have a sandstorm roll in recently. We didn't know what to expect with this cyclone. Everyone had mixed opinions. No cyclone, big cyclone, or it's just got to be a lot of rain. But we decided to prepare anyway. This is the day and the night before Cyclone Sean. So it's 11 AM Sunday morning, the day the cyclone arrives. Definitely started to intensify, a lot more wind, a lot more rain, so hopefully the caravans don't go floating down the road. We're protecting the Troopy, or what we can, the bonnet. Yeah, it's not looking too good on the radar. It's always good to make the most of these situations, you know. I've been told several times, there ain't no party like a cyclone party, but what even makes that party a little bit better is gonna have a couple of cheeky little party pies. Bloody oath. Batten and hatches. Rightio ladies, looks like this cyclone party has officially started. We like the party. We like the party. Spiffy, would you like a cheesy party pie?
I'm good, thanks babe.
Oh really? Pegasaurus? Do you want one? No. Alright. Party for one. So it's currently 4 o'clock in the afternoon and yeah, it's not really slowing up. It's just freaking bucketing down. Crazy wind. Peggy, come on. Pretty much been going all day. Peggy, come on. Just lots and lots of rain. And massive wind gusts, like it kind of chills out for a bit, but then it'll laugh back up. But this is a pretty heavy downpour now. Peggy making use of the water, having a little sipperoonie.
I'm allowed to on the first.
Nutella, nice coconut and lime juice.
Well, that's my favourite too.
Tastes beautiful.
Sure you're on party pie?
I want a banana Nutella fry.
I've been to a lot of
So I'm sitting here during the cyclone party, editing this video as you watch it.
It isn't always about that. Sometimes it's just about being on country
Isn't it?
and feeling connection to it, eh?
So it's been pretty consistent, but yeah, it kind of just comes and goes in waves. Like it'll just go spastic for like 10-15 minutes, heaps of rain, heaps of wind, and then it'll kind of back off a little bit, and then we'll get smashed again. So it's been going since probably about 8 AM. Now it's 12:30. It's due to yeah, it's meant to remain like this for till about 8 o'clock tonight. So the party continues. Couple more snacks. Happy days. Hey pig. Here's a big pig. Here's a big pig. Here's a big pig. Well, there you have it, guys. The cyclone didn't really intensify, but after our experience and knowing that we love living in these northern parts of Australia, it was a great lesson for preparation and knowing what the sheer force of nature can do so quickly. And this was a very mild cyclone. To our knowledge, no major damage was done to people or their homes within our region. So it's currently 4:30 in the morning. Oh, excuse the sink. Bit early to chuck that on. We've just come for a walk a few hundred meters from home to the Dampier main beach and main foreshore. It's where everyone walks their dogs, it's where everyone swims. There's a good stretch of beach here, so we're going to go for a bit of a sunrise flickaroonie, and let's see if we can get ourselves a fish at the Dampier main beach just up the road from home. Let's see how we go. Should be a beautiful sunrise anyway. Rightio, so we've walked to the very end of the beach, just on first light. We're in like the free leash dog sort of area. That's all this bit here, and then you've got the main sort of swimming bit down there. So we've come down the very end where there's just a little bit of structure. We've got an incoming tide. We'll probably work this area and then we'll move over to that little mangrove sort of area over there. See how we go, and then on the way back we'll just flick the shallows on the sand and see if we can get ourselves a flathead or something. But best time of the day. Starting off with a 4-inch Seaman paddle tail. We've had a few casts but no hits, so I'm just looking over there and it looks pretty good, so we'll come back here. But once the tide goes up, those rocks are going to disappear, so I wouldn't mind going and stand out there. A couple of flickaroonies, and we'll come back here and we'll stand on this big bad boy because the water will be up around it. So stingray, lots of little baby stingrays here, and shoving those sharks. There he goes. See you, buddy. Probably about 30 degrees, which is the typical low this time of the year, I've become to realise. Aircon 24/7, heaps of stingrays. You probably can't see them. Little shovel-nosed sharks, hopefully you can see them. There's heaps of them. I get the feeling it's like a bit of a breeding ground here. That's why I'm kind of fishing here, because we go for walks along here and you just see so much life. So you never know, eh? Into the mangroves. Someone forgot their balloon. There's fish on. What is it? Oh my god, it's like a little... What is that? Is that a mackie? That's a school mackie, dude. Is it? Or a barracuda? Is that an El Macareno? Or is that an El Barracudo? You guys are going to have to help me out on this one. Is this a mackie? I'm pretty sure it's a school mackie. I don't think it's a barracuda. Have I just caught my very first mackerel ever on Dampier Beach? Happy bloody days. Bloody stoked of that. On the old faithful. On the soft plastic. Mackie on a softie. Let's see if we can get anything else. I'm kind of retrieving really fast because the shadow's still in the water. I can't really see too much out in front of me, and I don't want to get a snag and lose this lure because it's my only Z-Man soft plastic. So it'd be good once that sun gets up a little bit more, we'll be able to see a little bit more to what we're casting at and depths and all that sort of stuff. So just being careful. Imagine getting a barra. Imagine I got a barra at Dampier, or pretty much right near Dampier Beach. Bloody miss barra, eh? We're on again. Of course. What's a morning's fishing without catching a codley? No shortage of these here, eh? Nearly as long as a lure. We're catching fish. Phew. Yep. Oh no. Beep. You're kidding me. Bit off. See if another bloody barracuda or a jack. One of the best things about Dampier is where is everyone? So a single person on the beach. Can't see a single boat out on the water except for the ones that are moored. No jet skis. Beautiful day, it's calm as, and it's summertime, so it is like 40 degrees every day, but pros and cons, eh? She's stinking hot, but there's no one around. Just when you thought the day was done, this thing just came out of nowhere. I turned away and started walking away. This thing was literally just under that tiny little ledge. Absolutely smoked that lure. I think I missed it on film, but this is a classic. So this is Dampier Main Beach. And this thing just smoked me lure. Dampier Beach. There's people walking past, they're walking their dogs. And I've just pulled a cod out of bloody 300mm deep water. Not a bad size, eh? Like, it's not massive, but it's a chunky little healthy cod. That is awesome. Again, I think it's another cod. That is so good. Hey, if you want to catch some fish, come to Dampier bloody dog walking beach. Bring your kids, get yourself a cod. Softy, doing the damage. Have a little codly. You go that way. You can do it that way. There you go. No one give away my spot, eh? This is top secret destination fishing. Oh, we've got heaps of little cod caves here. Here, cuddly, cuddly, cuddly. Bloody blowing a gale now. Look at the conditions now compared to what it was a couple of hours ago. Yep. Dampier Foreshore. Can you catch fish there? Bloody hope you can. Whew. Time to go home. That was a bit of fun, a bit of excitement. Yeah, I thought I'll come out here, show you guys the local. The car's in getting a bit of work done, so can't sit at home for too long, bloody go insane. But yeah, happy days. We'll see you in the next one. Dampier school is pretty cool, eh? Ocean views. Dampier servo. Peggy Weggy. Here's a Peggy Weggy. Here's a Peggy Weggy. Here's a Peggy Weggy. Oh, Peggy Weggy. You alright, puppy? Alright, you missed me.